Hi students, I just wanted to give you some information about homework that I'd like you to do this weekend. First of all, we finished with Module 3 this week, so I want you to go down and look at the Week 3 checklist, okay? This checklist is all of the things that you should do before the end of this week. So do this assignment, do this assignment. You can read the class notes if you miss class or watch the recording. You should have already submitted your sentence structure assignment because that was due yesterday, and study for the test on Tuesday. Okay, so do those things before the end of week 3, and then to start module 4, which is down here, what I'd like you to do is look at the homework list for Tuesday. So on Tuesday's class, we're going to be checking the textbook exercises, these 3 textbook exercises, plus comparisons with adverbs, okay? So those are going to be the homework assignments that we'll look for on Tuesday. And then if you want to start writing using comparatives, we have a dream home assignment that I will show you now. So you're going to go to the module, and remember, we're in Module 4, so you're going to do this handout for homework. We will check this handout in class on Friday, or on Tuesday, excuse me. And then we're going to, I'm going to show you the writing assignment that I want you to do, all right? And it's called the Dream Home Assignment. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill in these 18 words into the boxes correctly, depending on where they belong in terms of comparatives. And then you're going to write 8 sentences that compares your dream home and your real home. And follow the example here. You're going to write 8 sentences about that using these comparative forms that you wrote in the boxes, okay? And I also want you to remember to study for the test. We're having a test after class on Tuesday. The test is about parts of speech and parts of a sentence, okay? And that is in your week 3 checklist as well. Study for the test on Tuesday, parts of speech, parts of a sentence. Now, how do you study for that? Well, you look in the modules, right? Everything that I want you to study is in Canvas. Module 1, Module 2, and Module 3. All of these papers, all of these worksheets, you need to study for the test. And especially study the parts of sentence exam review, okay? All right, so if you do those things, you'll be caught up and you'll be all set to start week 4. I hope you're doing well. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.